Okay, for 41, they want us to simplify, and then in C and D, they want the answers written in scientific notation. So for A, right, 5 to the 0 times, 5 to the 0, right, is times 2 to the negative third. 5 to the 0 is 1, right, so it's really 1 times 2 to the negative third. 2 to the negative third is 1 over 2 to the positive third, which is 1 over 8, right? So A comes out to be 1/8, right? This is A here. And then let's do B down here, B. We have A cubed over B to the negative second times AB to the second over A to the fourth. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. We have A to the third and A is A to the fourth, and that cancels out with A to the fourth. So what I'm really left with is B squared over B to the negative second. But B to the negative second is, instead of dividing by B to the negative second, we're going to multiply by B squared, right, times B squared. So this comes out to be B to the fourth. If you're confused with from here to here, you could just use your properties, right? So when we divide with the same base, I would have B to the second minus the negative 2, right? We subtract these powers, right? When we divide, when we add, when we multiply, we add, when we set. So 2 minus negative 2 would come out to be 2 plus 2, which is 4. So either way, you're okay. Let's do C over here. Here's C. For these, we're going to multiply the first numbers, right? The 2.3 and the 4.2 first, right? So 2.3 times 4.2, that's 9.66. Again, if you can't do that in your head, that's no problem. Just go off to the side, right? I'll do it down here. 2.3 times 4.2 and multiply, right? 6, 4, 12, carry the 1, 7, 6, 6, oh, sorry, not 7, 12, 8, right? This is 8. 4 times 2 is 8, but we carried 1, right? So it's 9, actually, right? Carried 1, so it's 9. 9.66. Okay, you get the idea, though. So 9.66, and then 10 to the, now when we multiply with the same base, we add exponents. So it's negative 3 plus 2. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1, right? 9.66 times 10 to the negative first. Now this is simplified in scientific notation. It is okay to have this negative power in scientific notation. That's about the only place, right? It's simplified. Okay. For D, 3.5 times 10 to the third squared means 3.5 times 10 to the third times 3.5 times 10 to the third, right? Same as before. So 3.5 times 3.5, right? That's this one times this one, is 12.25. And then 10 to the third times 10 to the third is 10 to the sixth, right? We add. But keep in mind, they wanted us to write our answer in scientific notation. And this part is not, because it has to be between 1 and 10. So we have to rewrite this as 1.225. And that means we have to move the decimal one place further. So 1.225 times 10 to the 7th power.